If you're still waiting for a July 15th child tax credit check, it may be time to run through reasons for a possible holdup or request an IRS payment trace. Many families are banking on the extra cash this year, which is going out in recurring partial payments for food, child care, and back-to-school supplies. The money could be up to $300 every month for each qualifying child, depending on age and income rules. The first step is to make sure your information is current, especially if you switched banks or if your older tax returns could have disqualified you from the credit. The IRS has an online update portal that allows you to make changes to your direct deposit info and see when a payment was issued, which could give you clues if it might have gotten lost. You'll have to wait until later this year to make other changes in the portal to your address, income, and number of dependents. We'll keep you posted. So what if your payment was processed but it never came? Should you take the next step? Or what if it's pending? Could that mean your eligibility hasn't been confirmed? What if your tax or household information has changed drastically in the last year? We'll answer these questions and address possible reasons for delays. We'll also show you how to opt out of the advance monthly checks if you would rather get the credit in one payout next year. We've updated this story. What could be causing a delay with your child tax credit check? Even though child tax credit payments are scheduled to arrive on certain dates, you may not get the money when expected for a few reasons. The IRS may not have an up-to-date mailing address or banking information to send your check. The mailed check may be held up by the USPS, or the direct deposit payment may still be being processed. It's also important to note that if you're a victim of tax-related identity theft, you won't receive child tax credit payments until the issues have been resolved with the IRS. If the issues aren't cleared up this year while early payments are disbursed, you'll get the full amount when you file taxes in 2022. And keep in mind that even if you have unpaid state or federal debt, you should still receive child tax credit payments if you're eligible. Another possible reason your check may be delayed is because your 2020 return is still processing. The IRS is currently working through a backlog of returns. If your information has changed or you had a baby recently, the IRS may not know that they owe you the credit, especially if the tax agency is basing the credit on your 2019 tax return while the latest one is processing. How can you review your payment status online? Most households that hadn't unenrolled from the advance payment schedule will have seen the July 15th portion of the credit arrive in their bank accounts via direct deposit. Going forward, you can generally expect recurring monthly payments to hit your bank account on the 15th of every month except for August, when it's scheduled on the 13th. See the chart below for more. According to the IRS, you can use the Child Tax Credit Update portal to see your processed monthly payment history. It'll be a good way to watch for pending payments that haven't hit your bank account yet. To check on your payments online, you'll need to register with your IRS username and ID.me account information. First-time users will need to have a photo ID. It's one of the ways the IRS is trying to protect your information from identity theft. We don't know yet if the portal will display other payment details, such as banking information, amount, the check's processing date, or what could be causing a delay in the payment. If you're checking your bank account, look for the deposit labeled Child TC. If your bank has not received the deposit from the IRS, it won't have any processing information for you if you're trying to locate your check. If you think there's an error, start by using the update portal to double-check the bank details the IRS has on file, including your account information and routing numbers.